Hello, I'm looking forward to coming to see you in person very soon, whenever we're allowed to. But for now, let me just give you a quick rundown on the Qenda Ultimate Fibre that you're going to have in your store. What it is, it's a blend of 30 different herbs, all organically sourced, and they're all intended to help people with digestive problems or autoimmune conditions. So anybody that has anything that's classed as an autoimmune condition or anyone that has any digestive problems, nose to tail, it will really help with that. And the reason for that is because it works on all the things that's creating the autoimmune and digestive problems, which is toxicity. This is designed to remove like heavy metals, parasites, candida, fungal overgrowths, also heal and seal that gut lining and to stop people having that leaky gut, which obviously creates the autoimmunity at the same time. So that's who it's for. Everyone with IBS, IBD, MS, all the autoimmune conditions. There's so many different labels. As you know, they're all the same root causes: toxicity, leaky gut. It removes the toxicity and heals and seals that leaky gut. It's great for people with constipation and with people with diarrhea because what it does, there's a lot of anti-inflammatory herbs in there, so obviously calms the digestive system, calms down the immune response, and reduces inflammation. So it's really good. But also there's like herbs like cascara in there that helps get the digestive system moving. And so the whole point of this is you want to be taking it for a minimum of 3 months. Like one tub will last, like it's got 25 servings in one tub, and that will last 16 days, the first tub. And people for a 3-month course, they want to be having 6 of these tubs. It obviously comes in the original flavour and then the wild berry and the chocolate. I think you guys will be having the wild berry in stock. So yeah, like people normally say to them, just get one tub, get started. Or obviously you do get some people that are really keen that just want to get the full course and get cracking. What's most important with a Qenda Ultimate Fibre is how you drink it. Like you need to really mix it in a protein shaker. I'm sure you stock these in your store. And what you want to be doing is put don't worry, all the instructions are on the side here. So if you ever want quick reference when you're in the store, you just show your customer that. I've given you some brochures and some handouts as well for your reference and obviously to give to your customers so they know. But to have it, 300 to 400 ml of water in the protein shaker. There's scoops included in here. What you want to do, 2 scoops on top of the water, shake it up fast and drink it fast as well. Because there is psyllium husk in this formulation. I'm not sure if you've had psyllium husk before, but that actually absorbs the water and turns to like a jelly-like consistency. So when people are mixing it, mix it, drink it fast before it goes solid and jelly. It stays liquid for about 15 seconds or so. And that's why protein shakers so useful, because you just pop the lid, glug it down, you don't get any of the bubbles or froth. And like it says on the handout, you don't really want to be mixing it in a pint glass with a spoon or anything like that. It doesn't work. They need a protein shaker, they need this and some good clean drinking water. You mix it in preferably well filtered water or spring water, and then glug it down fast. When people first start having it, you might find customers say, oh my god, that's so bitter, and like the first week of having it yourself, you'll find that it does taste really bitter. And then after the first week or so, as the toxicity levels go down in people's bodies, it actually tastes less bitter. That's because the bitter herbs in the formulation, like the liver support and stuff, and the kidney support, that is, they taste more bitter when you've got more toxicity in the body. So that's it really. Each customer, I've just tried to go through everything quick for you, but each customer wants to be having 6 tubs of this minimum. They want to be having 2 scoops in like 300 to 400 ml of water, and then wash it down with another 300 to 400 ml of water total. So really you're getting like 600 to 800 ml total of fluid going into your digestive system. You want to be having it on a totally empty stomach in the morning before your breakfast, and then building up to having it in the morning and before your evening meal. You don't actually have to have it right before a meal, as long as it's on an empty stomach, and then it can work on an empty digestive system, reach all the pockets of the intestines, and absorb into the blood and cleanse the body and work all its magic. So yeah, that's about everything really. Have on an empty stomach. Make sure you're definitely having the 2 scoop serving. Mix it in a protein shaker. Each person has to have 6 tubs total minimum, for the full benefits of cleansing out, because like the reason for that is when your body cleanses parasites and stuff, you want to be cleansing for a full minimum 7 weeks because of the parasite's egg cycle. So if you think about it, parasites, they lay their eggs in the tissue and they can lay dormant for 5 to 6 weeks. So you want to make sure you're cleansing for at least 5 to 6 weeks to make sure you cover the full egg cycle. And then you want to be doing it for another 5 or 6 weeks to make sure you've totally got rid of everything. If that makes sense. So yeah, mix it in a shaker, have it on an empty stomach. Make sure you're having a 2 scoop serving, 600 to 800 mil, mix it in with. This is all on there. And then also, yeah, six tubs for everybody. So hopefully that should help. And I'll try to get some samples out to you guys as well with the instructions, and then so you can have it yourself, mix it in a shaker, drink it fast, and then when you're talking to your customers, you'll be able to relate to them, and obviously just tell them probably that don't expect it to taste very nice at first, but the taste does get better, and yeah, that should be all good for you.